So it's time to answer the question y'all all been wondering. What is HoneyBook? What's up, folks? It's John from John Branch 4 Photography, and today we're going to answer that question y'all really have been wondering about. What is HoneyBook? Why is this dude so hype about it? Why is he always talking about it? So let's go ahead and get into it right after this message. With digital contracts, e-signing, online payments, and automation, HoneyBook is the perfect tool to help you quickly and confidently book more clients. Use the link in the description below for 50% off your HoneyBook subscription. So to put it simply, HoneyBook is a client management system that helps you really track your clients and book your clients quickly. Honestly, hands down, it is probably the number one thing you need for your business. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or honestly just anyone in the creative arts in general. Some of the top features that really help you streamline your business are project tracking, expense tracking, you got contracts and e-signing, you got online payments, which people can pay through their bank account, they can pay through their credit cards. They can also pay outside and then you can track it, and that's a whole nother story. But you have reports on how you're doing and how you're actually getting your clients and where they're coming from. You have so much automation. You can automate most of your stuff. You have workflows, so you can easily just get to all your clients. So really, HoneyBook is just for streamlining your whole business and making everything much quicker. So if you are on Gmail and Google Sheets and Google Docs and you're doing your whole business like that, you probably should give yourself some peace of mind and move over to a client management system like HoneyBook, because it will change your life forever. I went from barely booking people, forgetting who I was even talking to, and having them email me like 10 days later like, but John, where are you? And it's not a good look. It's not a good look on your business. Where now I'm on HoneyBook, my booking percentage is like 70%. I look on my watch and it's just like, bam, you got money today. Bam, you got a new inquiry, and it's just constantly running for you. So that's what HoneyBook is. Y'all need to check it out. And I have a 50% off discount code in the description for you, especially. Use it because it is worth every penny. So y'all let me know in the comments, what do you think about HoneyBook? Have you used it before? Are you looking for a client management system to help you with your business? Are you getting lost in Gmail and drowning in emails? Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more HoneyBook information and business application information. Let me know what you want to know as well, and I'll be back with y'all next time. All right, peace.